Fastest man-made objects ever. NASA X-43, 7,000 miles per hour. The X-43A is the fastest aircraft ever made. Unmanned, it was designed to test air-breathing engine technology at speeds above Mach 5, though the aircraft could reach speeds up to Mach 10. NASA wanted to use the information collected from its 3x43s to design airframes with larger payloads and, eventually, reusable rockets. Space shuttles, 17,500 miles per hour. In order for anything in low Earth orbit to stay in low Earth orbit, it has to be traveling at least 17,500 miles per hour. The shuttle's external tank carries more than 500,000 gallons of liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen, which are mixed and burned as fuel for the three main engines. Apollo 10 capsule, 24,791 miles per hour. The Apollo 10 mission of May 1969 saw the fastest manned craft ever. Apollo 10 was the moon landing's dry run, simulating all the events required for a lunar landing. The men on board were all Air Force, Marines, and Navy astronauts. From here on out, the vehicles are unmanned. Stardust, 28,856 miles per hour. Anything designed to collect samples of a comet has to be designed for speed. Stardust was designed to catch up to a comet, collect a sample, and then return to that sample to Earth, which it did in 2006. The capsule achieved the fastest speed of any man-made object returning to Earth's atmosphere, Mach 36. Voyager 1, 38,610 miles per hour. Voyager also has the distinction of being the most traveled man-made object ever. Launched in 1977, it reached interstellar goddamn space in 2013. It covered more than 322 million miles a year. An Ironman hull cover, 125,000 miles per hour. During a nuclear bomb test called Operation Plumbob, Robert Brownlee was tasked with designing a test for limiting nuclear fallout from an underground explosion. A device was placed in a deep pit, capped with a 4-inch, Ironman hole. Obviously, the cap popped right off during the explosion, but Brownlee wanted to test the velocity of the expulsed cap. The test was filmed using a camera that captured 1 image per millisecond and only one frame captured the iron cap. Brownlee calculated its velocity at 125,000 miles per hour, and that it likely reached space, but no one knows for sure. They never found it. Helios satellites, 157,078 miles per hour. The first of 2 satellites designed to study the Sun. Also designed in the 1970s, the 2 Helios satellites broke all spacecraft speed records and flew closer to the Sun than even the planet Mercury. It only took the probes 2 years to get to the Sun, and they transmitted information about the heliosphere until 1985. They don't make them like they used to. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.